Please take a look at this word. 到. There are different ways to use 到. Let's start with arrive. Are you here yet? Almost arrived. 你到了吗？快要到了。Then let's try the 到 with result complement. I saw your brother. 看 is to see. 看到 is saw it. So 我看到你哥哥了 is I saw your brother. I saw your brother. 我看到你哥哥了。Let's add time in the same sentences. The sentence structure is subject plus time plus action. So I saw your brother yesterday is
我昨天看到你哥哥了。
Are you ready for another element? Let's add park, 公园 in the same sentence. The sentence structure will be subject plus time plus location plus action. So I, yesterday, in the park, saw your brother. 我昨天在公园看到你哥哥了。Got it?